Welcome friends, welcome back to the kitchen, welcome back to Cocktails After Dark. Today we're going to do a cocktail out of this cocktail book that we've used before. It's Ted Saucier's Bottoms Up, published in 1951. And it's actually signed by Ted. Ted was one of those guys who went to parties and knew everybody. He worked in advertising and marketing, and this book is filled with recipes from people that you would know. Like the recipe above the one we're going to do today is from Errol Flynn, you know, his buddy Errol Flynn. You just kind of hang out with him. And they're recipes from all over the globe because he did a lot of traveling. And this book is regarded as one of those cocktail books that is sort of the turning point into the 1950s. He brings in a lot of new recipes and a lot of new ingredients, and it is a well-regarded cocktail book. I can't show you much of what's in this cocktail book because we would become demonetized by YouTube. Some of the drawings and the pictures are a little bit saucy, even by today's standards. So, we're going to do something today called the Everglades Collins by Jefferson Wynne from Miami Beach. And it is a fairly simple cocktail, but I'm going to do it two different ways using the same ingredients but different brands. And we're going to see how that changes the cocktail. So cocktail one is going to be made as in the book. We're going to use a dry gin, and this is a dry gin that I really like. You've seen it before on the show. So one jigger of that, and a jigger of Cointreau, which is an orange curacao. Oh no. Oh no. 1 week later, and I managed to get to the LCBO and get another bottle of Cointreau. So let's get right into the cocktail. We need the juice of 1 lemon, which I'm going to take to mean a jigger's worth, or 1.5 ounces, just based on what it looked like when I was juicing the lemon. Of course, every lemon's going to be different. This one we're going to make with Dillon's and Cointreau. So, 1 jigger's worth, or 1.5 ounces of Cointreau. And 1 jigger's worth, or 1.5 ounces of the Dillon's rye gin. Now I'm going to switch to a clean jigger, another 1.5 ounces. And for this one, we're going to use a dry curacao. Now, Cointreau is a curacao. This is just a different brand. And we're going to use the Ungava gin and see how this works out. And both of these get ice. Now it doesn't say how much ice to put in the glass. I just chose an arbitrary amount, and we're supposed to fill with club soda. So,
hey Glenn, hey
Jules.
friends. I'm thirsty. I feel like I've been waiting for this drink for a while.
For a week almost. Okay. So, you can tell by the color. 2 different gins. There we go. Look at that. This one is the Ungava.
Oh, I was thinking I got to do some stirring.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, no, you've got it now.
Oh.
I was all excited. I got the spoon out.
Okay. Everglades Collins from Miami Beach. Oh, that's refreshing.
It's very cold, but it's refreshing.
Yeah.
It's very refreshing.
That's almost a gin drink for people that don't like gin.
Without being too lemony.
Yeah.
I was a little worried with all the lemon in it.
Quite a bit of lemon, yeah.
I like that one better.
Yeah. I do too. Okay. If you like gin, I would say the Ungava is the one for you because that gin flavor still comes through. The one with the Dillon's, it's light, refreshing, and you get more of the lemon and the orange flavor than the gin flavor.
Yeah, definitely like that one better.
Okay.
But they're both nice and refreshing. It's, sometimes, the difference is just a preference.
Great summer drink, patio sipper.
All right, in that case, I'm going outside.
Easy to make, Chip. Okay. Thanks for stopping by.
I'm out of here.
See you again soon.